dinner time. How are you? Hope you're enjoying the meals. We're having semi-ripe plantain and garden egg sauce. This is plantain just cut into 4 pieces and boil with your Saladmaster basket. Remember, you are not adding salt, it's not necessary. The taste of the plantain will be preserved by the Saladmaster pot. Then we want to prepare the garden egg stew. Boil the Tatashe, shombo, onions, garlic, or any other, or you can add ginger. Boil everything together and add seasoning. Steam it and add seasoning. When it's well seasoned, then add the mushroom and boil together. Then the garden egg should be boiled for 10 to 15 minutes. Then you mash it. Please don't peel the back. Mash the garden egg until it forms a thick paste. Then the pepper tomato mixture that is already on fire, you add the paste, the garden egg paste inside it and stir together. Very nice, very delicious. If you've not tried it before, it's a very good time to try it. The mushroom will give you protein and you can get some oil from it. The garden egg contains many nutrients, several vitamins and minerals that will make you to be healthy, that will boost your immune system. It's time to enjoy this nice, delicious dinner, plantain and garden egg sauce. Enjoy. If you have any questions, anything you want to understand, just send a mail to us, cookschool@pltransform.com. Thank you.
The next thing we'll be doing is to boil our garden egg for 10 to 15 minutes. We have our garden eggs there, so we'll be placing that on fire as well.
So by using the garden egg, I'm going to use comb number 3. I'm going to stress it with Saladmaster's, which is our food processor, the master for every kitchen. Comb number 3. Then I'm going to cut it into size. Very simple. It makes the job easier for me.
Isn't that amazing?
Very, very. I hope you like it.
I love it.
Imagine if you are using your hand to be cutting this.
That's going to take a lot of time
This
and
time
stress.
we're not going to get a lot of this kind of quantity that we have here.
That's right.
Yeah. Okay. So at this point, I'm going to steam it for how many minutes?
10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes. I'm using which is 1 quart.
1 quart Saladmaster cookware.
No water, because garden egg have water already. So I'm going to also place it on the medium heat. By the time it click, I turn it low. Okay. Then what's the next?
All right. So while we wait for our garden egg to be ready, we'll prepare the sauce that will be mixing the garden egg with.
Okay. Let me introduce. Tell them about the sauce. Which I already know. We have shombo, our local bell pepper. Sorry, Tatashe, and we have shombo. We have
ginger and garlic.
Ginger and garlic. We have onions, fresh mushroom. Then we are going to spice it with adobo and sea salt. That's for our sauce for.
So you prepare your sauce the same way you prepare your normal sauce at home. Only this time we'll be using the Saladmaster cookware.
Yeah. Okay. So let's just at this point let me just to blend my.
So we'll blend the pepper.
The pepper. I'm going to just
together.
take a little of that. That's Tatashe. Then shombo, a little. And I'm now going to have garlic. 2 is enough. Then a little of this
ginger.
ginger. I'm going to use 2 onions. Remember this mixture is, I'm going to smooth it. Okay. At this time, just need to add a little water to blend my
Pepper and onions.
Pepper, onion, ginger, garlic. Sorry, the shombo Tatashe. Alright, it's ready. So I have a paste right now.
Okay.
So at this point, I'm going to use electric skillet, aka bad boy,
Yeah.
to prepare the sauce.
Garden egg sauce.
Yes, the garden egg sauce. Yeah. So what I need to do, I like it to heat up a bit before I can now add others my recipes to make my garden egg sauce.
Okay.
So while waiting for this to heat up, so let's try
check
to see how
potato.
we can, cut this.
So we'll be chopping the mushroom.
This is the mushroom, which is plant-based protein. I'm going to chop it into pieces.
Looking so yummy.
Yummy and fresh. And this mushroom, it doesn't take time to cook. So most of the time, it used to be last things I added to my
Oh,
food.
really?
Yeah, but doesn't take time. It's sort of like a eating.
Okay.
So now I have my mushroom ready. So let's check our potatoes. Just let me check and see if it's actually cooked.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
See?
Yummy, yummy.
Wow.
Can you see?
I need to break it into 2.
Yeah, it's ready.
Ready.
So now let's get ready for our sauce. Oh, garden egg is
Saladmaster is fantastic.
Yeah. Our local fish stew. I think fish will be better. Make it easier. Yeah, because it's big. Okay, let's do that. Oh my God. Very simple. You can only achieve this with the help of Saladmaster. Imagine, just look at the quantity of water coming out.
Yes, and we didn't put
There was no water. Not because garden eggs has water.
It's obvious.
Exactly. So that's why I always tell them something that has water here. You can also cook those kind of food without water. Yeah. So it's ready. It's heavy. So at this point, electricity. So I'm now going to add first thing more. Let's add this. This will come later. Let's add this. The paste. Yeah, the paste. And this spoon. Just little. Don't want to be too spicy.
Okay.
Yeah, just to color a bit. Then
Next.
second, chopped mushroom. Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. This garden eggs, you like it.
The lines.
Oh my God.
I like the
Just
color.
look at this. Then I'm going to top it with sea salt and adobo. You can just add this to your desired taste. So I know my measurement. So I'm just going to add a little of that. Then if you wish, you can add sea salt. If you don't want, you can take off the sea salt. But I just want to add a little of that to make it tasty. So first of all, mix all that together. Oh my God. Then I'm going to bring down the temperature to 180 degree.
Okay.
Remember, it was
180
degree. Yeah. 180 degree. Okay, that's good. Then,
So what's going in next?
I'll be an egg. Oh la la. But before adding the garden eggs, I'm going to cover this to steam up a bit, maybe for about 5 minutes or so.
So everything can steam.
Yes, exactly. No, this is already good, so I don't need to overcook this. Yes, so let's just give it ourselves.
Let's wait.
Let's wait maybe 5 minutes or so.
I want to pour the mushroom in the.
Which one was it? Sorry, which one was
So let's see.
Okay, let's see right now if our mushroom is ready.
Wow. Ooh.
Just help me. So at this point, I'm going to add this. This will be the last thing I'm going to add to our sauce, the mushroom. So just add this straight.
So garden egg going in.
Egg, yeah. Then just mix everything together.
I like the color.
Yeah. Wow. Can you see this color?
Wow.
Apart from the color, I know you enjoy it more with
the aroma too is fantastic,
yeah.
so I can only imagine what it tastes like.
So at this point, the sauce is ready. So I just want to show you how you can cook your plantain. This is semi-ripe plantains. So I'm going to slice it and cook it with a bark, with a corrected basket with the Saladmaster's healthy cooking systems. So we all know, some of us know how to use Saladmaster's with its corrected basket to cook your yam and something of this nature like plantain. Just drop a little water here, then this is a basket, place it this way. Although I'm boiling the water for some time just to fast track my cooking. Then slice the plantain. You can slice it your own style or the way you want it. This is a slice. Then drop it inside the plantains. Inside the basket. Drop the plantain inside the basket. Fully cover. Just place it on the medium heat. And allow your plantain to cook to your own taste. Okay? When the plantain is cooked, then we are now serving with garden egg sauce. Okay, at this time, our plantain is cooked. So I need to take some to serve with my garden egg sauce. Wow! Enjoy your dinner. Enjoy!